Meet OpenTower IQ, the AI-powered solution revolutionizing telecom tower management. OpenTower IQ doesn't just detect equipment on towers, it identifies the exact shapes of each component. From sharp edge panels, curved surfaces, and even irregular profiles, OpenTower IQ brings unparalleled accuracy to your tower models. In fact, OpenTower IQ shape detection accurately identifies the manufacturer and model of each piece of detected equipment, supporting precise inventory tracking and maintenance throughout the tower lifecycle. While others rely on simple box-like representations, OpenTower IQ provides true-to-life geometry, delivering a detailed, accurate view of your tower equipment just as it appears in reality. Better yet, these shapes are reflected across all outputs, including reality models, 3D models, and even tower plan drawings. The result? Clear, consistent data throughout your workflow. With OpenTower IQ, you save time, improve accuracy, and gain deeper insights into your tower assets. Elevate your tower management with OpenTower IQ today.